Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog. Come, let's go to the picnic together. So, for this year, we were heading to a new location. So, the resort name is Mandavi Hill Resort, and here we are traveling, and we are on the Mumbai Expressway. And from here हमें पता चला कि अंदर बस नहीं जा सकती. Why? So there was some market, weekly market going on. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हमें छोटे व्हीकल से ट्रैवल करना था वो रूट. बट यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जा रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रैफिक अगेन. सो वहाँ के रिसोर्ट वाले हमें लेने के लिए आए और उन्होंने कोई शॉर्टकट दिखाया जिससे हम लोकेशन तक पहुँच गए. इट टुक अराउंड 10 to 12 minutes to reach here. And here are the childrens very excited. Now as soon as we entered in the resort, we started to have our breakfast as it was already late. So this is our breakfast and this was the room we have got to keep our bags and belongings, everything here. And here teacher is praising my vlogs. Here am I and the childrens are already in the pool. So this is the wave pool and the childrens are enjoying a lot. Childrens were still feeling very cold, so the resort person has thought about some good idea. They were serving soup for the childrens. एंड आफ्टर दैट जब मैं थोड़े आगे गई मैंने देखा कि बच्चे सूप पीने के बाद कुछ और चीज़ें भी इंजॉय कर रहे थे. सो आई स्टॉप्ड देम दैट फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू गेटिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एंड देन मैं ये प्लेसेस पे गई जहाँ पे कैंडी फ्लॉस, पॉपकॉर्न एंड चम्मच गोला, दिस ऑल वेर ऑल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इन द टिकट्स. एंड हियर द टीचर्स आर enjoying चम्मच गोला and I am here with the popcorn. Then I went to the pool area and I was watching the kids near the pool area and the children who were playing in the pool. So we all teachers tried popcorn and chammach cola, but none of us has went to eat candy floss. And here is our Mayuri teacher enjoying candy floss. After that, Bhavika teacher was enjoying with that drop, and it was already time for lunch. So children were having lunch. We were making sure that every children's come out of the pool, they get changed, and then they have their food. And this was our food, which was amazing. Now all of us were out of the pool, like all children were out of the pool, and they had their lunch around 2 p.m. In the afternoon. So we were all thinking कि अब और क्या होने वाला है, like we have plenty of time to go home. So here was a surprise for us. There was a magic show arranged by this kind person. He was very joyful and cheerful, and he was entertaining all of us very well. After the magic show, he made sure that everyone enjoyed till last, and he made our teachers and our students to dance all together with him, and the children were really very enjoying and they were very happy till end. Now it was the amusement time, so we all were told that there are some games to be played by the children. They will love it. And when we entered this open area, we saw that there are 3 games. First one was this, the second one was the toy train, and the third is this. So this was the last round. After that they gave us ice cream, and along with ice cream they also gave us a packet of chips and maza tetra pack juice. And after that we were headed to our home, and all the children were very tired as they have played and enjoyed very much. They all were sleeping in the bus and they all were very quiet. And here finally we reach back to school. All the parents have gathered here to collect their children from the school, all excited to share their experience with the parents. And I hope you like the vlog, and see you in the next year picnic vlog. Till then, like, share and subscribe.